Hi friends. Welcome back to yet another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Media Creation Tool Error 0x80072F8F 0x20000 in Windows 7. In order to fix this error, download and install EasyFix software to add the default Secure Protocols registry subkey automatically. And also download and install a Windows 7 update file from the Microsoft website. Now open Google. And then open this link to download EasyFix. Now scroll down. This link is given in this video description box. And click here to download EasyFix. Now open another tab inside Chrome. And then open this link to download the update file. This link is also given in this video description box. Depending on your system architecture, you can download the update file. If you have 64-bit Windows, you can download 64-bit file. And if you have 32-bit Windows, you can download 32-bit file. Click on the download button. On this new window, click on the link to download the update file. After both applications have been downloaded, now go to the location where both files have been downloaded. To install EasyFix, double-click on the downloaded file. Now, click on the Run button. On this new window, tick on the I agree checkbox to accept the agreement. Click on the next option. Accept the user account control by clicking on the Yes button. Now installation of the EasyFix application has been done. Click on the Close button. To install the Windows Update, double-click on the downloaded file. Here, click on Yes option. Now, click on the Restart button to start the system. Once again, run Media Creation Tool. Accept the user account control by clicking on the Yes button. And now, you can see that this application is working successfully.
Please subscribe this channel, like and share this video.